How to remove your Instagram account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to delete, deactivate or remove your Instagram account, what you're simply gonna do is first open Instagram on your device. Now, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile's logo. Click on it. After that, in the top right corner, you'll see the three bar option. Go there. And now, over here you'll see various options. Just go to the top of the page and in the first option which says Account Center, click on it. And now, scroll a bit down and in Account Settings, you can see various options. Go to Personal Details. Now, in the last you can see Account Ownership and Control. Click there and then go to Deactivation or Deletion and then choose the account you want to delete. Now you can either deactivate your account or delete your account and then go to continue. So this is how you can remove your Instagram account. So thank you for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you again in the next one.